Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey! I'm super goofy. But if you're old here, hey y'all, hey! I'm so glad you stayed and tuned in for my new video. Today's video is exactly what the title says, what's in your box. And I'll show you guys everything that I have in here. Hair tools and hair products and etc, etc. So some of the stuff has been in here a little bit over a month, so I really don't know what's in it. So we'll just get right to it and explain what's in here, all the goodies. So first, I'll just take this off the top. It's my mannequin head. I've been practicing on my braids. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. I should try it on my hair next and see how I do. It's not really bad. It's just my hands start hurting, so whatever. Something. Q-tips, gotta have it by the bundle. I use it for my makeup, my hair, all that other good stuff. You'll be surprised at what you can use it for. In this box, my Curl Dynasty products. That sucks. Golly. Yeah. The Kalahari, Cocoa and Mint. Give Me Slip, Twist and Definition, Vanilla Cream Custard, Pumpkin Mint Deep Treatment, and the Organic Oil Blend. Here was a recent purchase from Maleeha. They had a sale, so I love sales, so I had to make sure I got some new stuff. I wanted to try the Style Setting Spray from Maleeha. I wanted to try the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse. I have this one everyone talks about, the leave-in conditioner, White Peony. I had to get some more of these. I always buy 2 at a time. It's the Rosemary and Mint Scalp Oil. And I have one of these already, but I wanted to get another one because I like it. The Deep Conditioner Babusu and Mint. I have some hair clips and some rollers. I tried these rollers, I didn't like it. I have to find something that works for me. These just weren't it. And I have a bunch of these running around the house, hair clips. What's this side? I have the Eden's Coconut Shea Deep Conditioner. I want to try this and I will do a review on it. You let me know if you've tried it already and how you like it. But I haven't tried it yet. I purchased a little small sample so I can get a feel for it. And if I like it, I purchased a bigger bottle. This came from, I actually did their Amazon review, and they gave me 2 free bottles. I'm thinking about making this a giveaway. I don't know. You let me know what you think down in the comments. So this is the Blissful Lens Blueberry Liquid Hair Growth Vitamin, and you actually drink this. So, yeah, it's super good. Just check it out, and you let me know what you think, and if you ever tried it and how you like it. I like that too. This is the Aztec clay. I usually do my ACV washes with this. I love it. No, nothing bad about it. This is my Shine and Jam. This one is with honey. I use this when I did these braids and it's like almost none in there. I use a lot. I got these recently from TJ Maxx. I'm excited to try these. I don't know when I'm gonna do it. I don't know how to use it. I gotta look up some reviews before I give you guys a review. But this is the Curl Defining Cream. And this is the Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. And I got this one for $5.99. I got this one for $7.99. So check out your local TJ Maxx. They may have it. Some shower caps. Have to keep those in stock. This is the Intense Conditioning and Hydrating Mask by Pure Oil Silk Element. This is another one I want to give a try and give you guys a review on. So you let me know if you've tried it and if you like it, yay or nay. This is my favorite by Miss Jessie. The only one I have because it's the only one I could afford. And the Baby Buttercream. You know, check out my video on this one. I should have thrown this away. This is the Shine and Jam Silk Edges. This is like, I'm scraping the bottom to get that little bit out. I love this stuff. This is like my go-to edge control before I got the Ibn. This is the shade Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. You always have to have this on deck. I've been using this since I first went natural, and I always keep it handy just in case I ever want to go back to my old faithful. I have my second bottle. Neither of these are open, and I haven't tried it. I've drank one before. I had actually did it before way back, and I just stopped because I couldn't afford another bottle because they're like $35, like $25 or $35 a bottle. But I have 2 free ones, so maybe, I don't know. The Curl's Daughter Sacred Tiara Fortifying Conditioner. You know, in my last video, or my previous video, that I used this hairstyle and tried to test out and make me look like Misty from Misty off of Luke Cage. That's what it was. So yes, I've used some of that already. I need to like use it and stop playing. I use these for like, it's a great refresher. It's the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I've used this for years as well. Just a little refresher when your hair looks old. Just spray some on there. It's really, really good. My big old jar of coconut oil. Always have to have some of this in your closet. Use it for any and everything. This is the As I Am Curling Jelly Coil and Curl Definer. I've tried it before, used it maybe like 2 or 3 times. I'm not really sure how I feel about it. It's the texture, the consistency of it is really, really loose. It's like, it's really, really loose. Like, I can pour this out and like make a mess. Yeah, that's that. But it smells really good. This is the Cream of Nature Arganoid Perfect Edge Extra Hold. I was using this a really long time ago before I started experimenting with other edge controls. That one was my go-to for forever. You always have to keep you a bottle of peppermint oil. I add these on my condition days, or if I'm making a DIY conditioner. You know, I always add a little bit of this. It's very strong, and that's the reason why this is like still a lot in here, because I only got to use just like 1 droplet of it. Everyone's had a bottle of this, and I still have a bottle of olive oil sheen spray. Never know when you need it. I have my Shea Moisture Strength and Restore Lock and Braid Butter from my previous video as well. You can check that out. I'll put it up in the cards. The Maelle Twist and Souffle. This is the pomegranate and honey. I believe I used this in a video before. I think I have. I've used almost all of my Maelle's products. I'm pretty sure I have. Next is the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut. My mom purchased this at the hair show for me, and I tried it on a little bit of my hair and I didn't like it. It feels like it has alcohol in it, and I'm not ready for it. But I need to give it a try. I need to fully test this product out and give you guys a review. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff reminds me, it smells like baby borns. I don't know how to explain it. Like the baby dolls, I used to smell them. That's what it smells like. It smells so good. I like this stuff. It's really good. But because I keep trying more and more different conditioners, I keep pushing them to the side. But that's, you know, all reliable. Gotta have you some shea butter. Just like my coconut oil, you have to have some in your pile. And I use those two when I make my deep conditioners as well. I blend those up, put it in my hair. Heaven. Some more shower caps. Here is some Proclaim Olive Glossing Polish. It smells so good. And I used to put this on my hair just to give it a little shine. Yeah. Everyone has this from back when we used to perm my hair and all that other good stuff. And this big old tub of Eco Styler gel. This is the only one that I use for my hair. The green one didn't work, it flaked over my hair, so this was it. So I purchased the biggest one they had on Amazon, and I used to slap this on my hair when I was in the military. And now I just have it. I don't use gel as much, so I don't use it. I only use a little bit if I ever would use some. So now it's like just here. And then here is the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner. When I first went natural, I was using this. And because I've been trying new products, it's just been here. But I definitely want to give it a try again and see how I like it now that my hair is trained and ready for some new ideas or whatever. I have some super glue for when I used to wear sew-ins a lot and my closure was coming out. So I put some glue on it to put it back. Don't judge me. This came with something. I don't know. I've never used it. It says one and only argan oil, Moroccan argan trees oil treatment. Let me know down in the cards if you've ever used this brand or this oil treatment. I don't know. Excuse me. This is a lot of body with coconut and shea oils. Excuse me. Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. Sorry. I've used this when I was trying to do a rod set. Didn't turn out right, so it's been here. I don't know when I'm gonna use it. Let's go to these bags. I know you guys are like, what's in the bag? What's in the bag? Okay. And some packets of hair left over from when I braided my hair. Some braid in here. And I got me a little stamp packet. I didn't even know I had this. It's New Not Garlic Magic shampoo and the conditioner for stronger and healthier hair. Fresh clean hair, no garlic smell. I don't know. We should give it a try, right? You let me know down in the cards if you've ever heard of this brand or if you've tried this little sample packet. And then in this baggie, finding more hair. Maybe I would have needed that. I don't know. And I have some curly hair that I have not tried yet. It's for me to get a sew in. The winter times are coming, so this is definitely what I'll be pulling out. It's the all natural, so it kind of looks, 100% natural hair. It look a little stiff, but I'm gonna have to wash it. I never use it, and it's curly hair. So, some bundles and a closure in there. Next one is the remaining hair that I had from when I did this hairstyle here. I had one pack of curly hair left and some little pieces left. Whenever I decide to give the strength to do that again. Then I have some SG High Beams Intense Temporary Spray On Hair Color in Burgundy. I want to try this so bad. I think I would try it once I take my hair down. You let me know if you tried it, if you like it, if it's actually burgundy and not red, because I've seen some people look red with their hair. And then I brought some more curlers. So that I didn't like the other ones. We're going to give these a try and see if I can actually curl my hair properly. I have 4 packets of those. I was supposed to use those on the ends of this hair, but I ended up using the curly hair and I didn't need to use the curlers. Then I bought these little sample packets. It's the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. And this one is the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. And I want to do a video on these little samples. And I didn't want to buy the big bottles because, again, what if I didn't like it? So, got the little sample bottles and I'm going to give those a try in the video. You'll see. This is also what my mom purchased me. Shout out to moms. The Main Choice Super Antioxidant, and Textured Beautifier Shampoo. I've never used it. This one I haven't used since I didn't like the hair product. I didn't use the shampoo either. But I should give it a try, right? Let me know down in the comments if you've tried it, if I should try it, and let me know. My blow dryer, I had to buy another one because I broke all of the combs to my other one. Nappy hair problems. This is a recent purchase from Kinky Tresses. I have the little sample packet. I will be doing a video on this one as well. Stay tuned. This is the coconut mango hair butter, the avocado infusion leave-in hair milk, the avocado infusion restorative conditioner, avocado infusion sulfate moisturizing shampoo. So this is all-in-one, maybe like 1 or 2 hairstyles in a pack. $20, can't beat it. I have my Maleeha's Magungo Oil Hydrating Conditioner. I love this stuff. Oh my gosh. It's like liquid gold. What else? I have the Eden's Essential Citrus Infusion Butter for hair and body. This is another little bundle deal I purchased when it was on sale. And I want to give it a try, just having it, because I'm so nervous. I'm like, what if I don't like it? And I've done a whole tutorial on it and I just don't like it. Ugh, my life. And that came with the Eden's Hydrating Serum, the Almond Marshmallow. Haven't used it, still in the packet. Maybe I should do it that way. Maybe it's backwards, I don't know. Sorry. And the Eden's Hibiscus Honey Hair Tonic. I heard this was like super good. Just haven't used it yet. My life. Liquid vitamin. So it's like a hair oil, but it comes in a misty bottle, which I think would be really nice. But I just gotta give it a try. And this is the Almond Marshmallow Therapy Leave-In Conditioner. Then I have the conditioner to the Carol's Daughter Sacred Tiare. No, this is the shampoo, sorry. The shampoo that I've used before. You've seen my videos. I'll leave that in the cards. Then I have the Magungo Oil Pre-Shampoo Treatment. I've used this. It's maybe like this much left. And it's okay. I'm not really sure what it was supposed to do, but I had already purchased the whole line, so that was it. And that is it. This is all that was in this little tough box full of hair products, and I continuously add on, and I can never empty a product out because this is my problem. So you let me know down in the comments some of these products that you would love for me to try and make a video about, and let me know what's inside of your hair box. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.